Hi everyone, I'm Nataliia.
And I'm Karina, and we're your student content shapers, and we're going to be helping you get ready for the official UoB Countdown to Christmas.
We've got some amazing DIY hacks so you can be creative, crafty, and make your Christmas extra special.
First, we'll show you how to make delicious Jum Cookies, Nutcracker popsicle sticks, ticket gift cards, and how to make your own Christmas gift tags.
First, let's make these amazing cookies, and here's what we'll need: eggs, butter, sugar, and flour. First, we start by cutting about a quarter of butter and melting it in the microwave. Once it's melted, add it into a big bowl. After that, we need 1 cup of sugar. Then mix it with the butter and whisk it. Take 1 cup of flour and mix again. Add 1 egg. Mix, mix, mix until it looks like this. Take a big baking tray and cover it with film. Then start scooping a little bit of dough and rolling it like this with your hands. Then put it on a baking tray and make it flat using a cup like I did. After that, using your finger, make little hearts in the middle. You can also cut your cookies in shape. For decorations, we're going to use strawberry jam and coconut cream. Take some strawberry jam and place it into the hearts. And using coconut cream, we can cover some of the cookies. Isn't it cute? Heat the oven until 180 degrees and then bake for 30 minutes.
To make these cute Nutcracker popsicle sticks, you will need the following on screen, as well as paint or markers, and I've listed the measurements above. With PVA glue, glue together the legs, followed by the arms and the waistcoat. On top of this, glue the remaining sticks for the face. Cut a small piece of ribbon and attach it to the back using PVA glue, just like this. Next, draw on the clothes followed by the waistcoat and hat, and you can use this as a guide. Paint or colour in your nutcrackers. I've gone for red and green for a festive look, and for the waistcoats I've gone for an orange shimmer and dark green. To bring your nutcracker to life, add little boots, some details to the hat, and of course a face. I've used some metallic pens for this to make it pop. And you're done!
Next, let's do some ticket gift cards. This is everything we're gonna need today. Take the empty kitchen towel roll first and cut it in half. Circle it and cut the circle out. Cut a small hole in the paper roll. Then take the circle we did and glue it to the top. It should look like this. Then paint the ticket holder we made. Take a piece of paper and make small equal cutouts in it. Now it looks like tickets, and then we fold it. Color your tickets, and on them write the things you'd love to do with whoever you are giving the tickets to. Then put them into the ticket holder. Then take a blank piece of paper and draw the frame for the ticket holder. Cut it out and color it. Then take some glue and glue it to the ticket holder. And we are all done.
Finally, I'll be showing you how to make your own Christmas gift tags. The first method is to hole punch any piece of card or wrapping paper, write a festive message on this, and you can even attach a jingle bell or a to and from stamp. You can also cut up old Christmas cards into your desired shape and using a hole puncher, hole punch the top of the Christmas tag. And there you have your own Christmas gift tag. I love how easy and personalised you can make your gift wrapping with these. Here's how I would use them to wrap a gift. This is such a cute way to make your gift wrapping more sustainable this year. And there we have it. Make sure to save your old Christmas cards.
We hope these tutorials have helped you. Crafts can be so simple and they really make your space feel extra Christmassy.
Have you got any other DIY Christmas crafts? Tell us in the comments.